I want to use these 5 minutes to entertain an idea with you and invite you to meet us upstairs. We have a little booth there. And my topic here today is that AI for the rest of us. And we are not all developers, right? We are not all software developers. And this question I've put there is, what is AI's native language? So I remember when I grew up, my parents in the 80s, they were wondering, oh, should we all learn Japanese? Because Japan is the big new economy. And nowadays, it's maybe Chinese. But what is AI native's language? And I'm a software engineer, that's my background, and I'm probably privileged in that regard, because I think software is the language of AI. But not all of us are software engineers. So I think, and Claudia talked about that, oh, you should learn about agents and prompt engineering and blah, blah, blah. I think this can be rather scaring. And what we do, we wonder about what is AI native's language and what should we learn as humans, or how should we impact the AI to speak in the future still our language. So what you see here is what everyone is doing now. We are prompting in English, right? And this, I think, is what kicked off the AI revolution, that all of a sudden all of us could talk to the computer and reason with the computer. That's the first time in life that we got clever answers from a computer, right? They can write emails for us, they can improve, like you said, speeches they can write for us, they can write a business plan for us. But I think this is only the very beginning. What would happen if we would allow the AI to really act in our world? Like trigger our infrastructure, really take decisions. Right now it's really prompting, and we proofread it, and then we send an email, but that's pretty much it, right? And you talked about agents, but is anyone here who really had an agent book a travel for them? Would you give an agent your password and your credit card? It's not happening yet, right? So I think what's in between is, and I really agree, that would be the revolution, that AI can really do tasks in our world. But what we don't want is this, right? And that's what I mean by the AI native language. So if you would allow the AI to do something in the real world, it would have to talk to other computers. It would have to talk to the computers that manage our infrastructure, like the red and green lights in the traffic system, or the train system, or in banking, doing transactions and stuff. And I think we all agree here, even if you're not software engineers, we don't want that today, because we don't trust the AI. But it will happen. And I think then your curve, Claudia, that you talked about, totally different dimensions. You would allow the AI to do work for us, really, and not human in the loop. Like today, where you proofread every little text, you would allow AI to really do work. But we have to prevent this. And I think what's stopping us, the rest of us, is that we can't code. Because right now we would be required, if AI talks to other computers, they would probably talk in bits and bytes and in code. And the AI would write software on the spot to tell other computers what to do. But the trouble with that is that most of us, we are not coders. We can't proofread that. So we would not be in the loop anymore. And the idea I would like to discuss with you, what if we invent a new language that is not like hieroglyphs to us, but really invent a new computer language from scratch that we allow the AI to use when they talk to other computer systems, but in a form that we can proofread it. Something that's not like hieroglyphs, but maybe it's more like a diagram or whatever. So again, I don't know how I'm in time, Hannah. I wanted to use 5 minutes only to invite you to really challenge this idea with us. We are upstairs for 2 more days. That's the idea. Invent a new AI native language that humans can proofread to stay in the loop. When computers really, when the AI really starts to talk to computers and steer our world. Okay, I hope that makes sense. That's it.